Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, so we're going to do some array functions here. So I'm going to first of all create my first subroutine, and it's going to be called pop array value. Pop array value, because that's what we're going to do. We're going to pop an array value in here. So we're going to create the first array, so that's going to be my array, and that's going to be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that, just like that. Okay, so I'm going to create my scalar pop value here. Val is going to be equal to pop, and that's going to be the pop, and that's going to be the array. Okay, and we're going to print something out so the user can see what the output is. So that's going to be popped and scalar pop val and array. Okay, let's just call that function and make it work. So it's going to be pop array value. Okay, just save it there and run it. Okay, popped. So we've popped number 8 off the end here, and it's shown as the value that we popped off the array. So let's go on to the next function we're going to do. So I'm going to say sub add new element. So basically we're going to add a new element to this array. Okay, let's create the array first. My array. Okay, and we're going to populate it with some names. Bill, Joe, and Paul, all the usual suspects there. Okay, so then we're going to create a scalar, which is going to be add this. So that's short for element, and we're going to equal to push, and then we're going to do array. So we're going to push it into the array, comma, and then we're going to push another name into there, Steve, let's say. So Steve is going to join his friends in the array, and they're all going to be happy ever after in the array. So let's have a look. So let's print out the array so we can see what it's all about. So array. Okay, all we have to do now is just simply call it, and that's called add new element. Save it up here and run it. Okay, so you can see Steve has joined his buddies in the array. So we've got Bill, Joe and Paul. So Steve has joined them. Okay, right, let's have a look at the next array we're going to do, and it's create a subroutine. It's going to be called add beginning element. So we're going to add an element to the beginning of the array, or to the start of the array. Okay, so it's going to be my scalar array, and it's going to be equal to, and we'll add some Joe, Pete, and Paul. They all get on well together. Okay, so now what we're going to use is the Unshift. Again, it's going to be array. Okay, and then we're going to add somebody on. I'm going to call him Mr. X. Okay, so Mr. X is joining the party. Okay, and then all we have to do is print it out. So let's say that array and new line character there. Okay, let's just save that, and all we've got to do now is I'm just going to take this. I can't be bothered writing it out. I'm just going to copy and paste it. So copy there. I'm going to pop that down there. Where is it? Oh, I popped it in the wrong place. Let's have a look. So I'm going to pop that down there, and we're going to save it like that, and now we're going to run the program. So there we go. Mr. X has joined the party. So, and at the beginning as well. So there he is. So we've added him at the beginning. Okay, I'm just going to just knock those out there, and we're going to do the last one, and we're going to do remove. Yeah, so we're going to do a subroutine, and this is called remove first element, like that. So basically no points for guessing what this is going to do. It's going to remove the first element of the array. So my array, and just to be a little bit different here, we're going to create an array with QW, quoted words. So we're just going to do some numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's our array there. So my array. Okay, whoops, I don't mean to do that. No, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, we're going to do shift here. So shift, and then all we have to do is array, and then we're going to print the array. Okay, now all we have to do is to call it remove first first element. Okay, save it, run it, and there we go. It's removed the first element, number 1. So Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope it's been helpful, and remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you never miss another video. And I will catch you again in another one. Bye-bye.